Alright, we got an upgrade. I'll let the other one go. So, little dude, bring me home my 10-pound bass. Let's do this. Dog's getting tired. Well, not what I'm after. There's a nice chunky bass, probably about a half a pound. Not a sore mark on him, doesn't smell fishy, and real football-like. It's got that football shape to him. We'll be digging this one, so go back home. We're still looking for bluegill. Alright, we hooked up with something big. Trying to catch a bluegill. I don't know what it is. Because I only have 4-pound line and it's making me nervous. Whoa, it's a catfish. Darn it. No bluegills today. Alright. Beautiful spotted channel cat. Got that greenish blue teal and white silver belly with them spots and them real distinctive, really long whiskers. I got like 8 inches of whisker on just maybe a 10-inch fish, so it's quite the specimen. We'll put it back in there.